Alright, YouTube, this is a 2011 Camry. Just changed out the front side marker light. This is a passenger side. If you look at the work instructions, they talk about having to take off the front bumper, which I can see why that's the case now. But what I did, I came in here. There's videos on opening up this wheel panel, and let's show you what that looks like in there. The turn signal would be really easy here. Side marker is that black one all the way at the top. I could get my hand, barely get my hand on it, but I couldn't get any torque. So what I did, right here, this little slot, right in here, in the body panel. And if you look down in there, you can kind of barely see a little line, which is the top of the little plastic piece that goes in the back of the headlight assembly. Quarter turn, took a real small screwdriver, carefully put it in there, gave it a little turn over. It gave me the torque I need to turn it a little bit, get it out, pulled it out, changed the bulb, kind of fished it back in there by hand. You're working totally blind, and got it partway turned in, used my screwdriver, gave it a little turn, locked it in. So saved me from taking the whole bumper off, which is what, again, what the manual recommends. So, and really tricky, but the key was kind of going in this little area, getting down there. You can't really see it in the video, but you can get on top of the housing, give it a little turn into the screwdriver and just prine it over toward the engine, and that got enough to get enough torque to get it out of there. So hope this helps somebody.